Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very special video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First is you need to open Google Chrome. Just simply double tap to open. And the moment you are being redirected here, just go for the upper right side of your screen. You can see here three dots. Just simply click that to see more. And after that, scroll down to locate settings. Okay, here, once you find settings, click that to open. Once you are being redirected to the Google Chrome settings, as you can see here, it has the search bar. Please search for site settings. And as you can see below, it has this yellow highlighted one containing controls what information sites can use and show location, camera pop-ups, and more. Just go for that. And here, simply scroll down. And under this content, it has four options: third-party cookies, JavaScript, images, pop-ups, and redirects. In this manner, we will be going to JavaScript. Here, under the default behavior, you can manually enable JavaScript to use sites or disable JavaScript to use sites. Here, in this manner, you just have to simply disable or enable JavaScript depending on what you prefer. So once you're satisfied, just simply close this window and you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day, everyone.